And so you should probably recognize this checklist. This is the same checklist that we used in the inspections when we first looked at the homes. So I'm really just asking you to print this out again, take videos and photos again, remind yourself of what it used to look like beforehand. If you're happy with everything, the settlement's going to roll along, your conveyance is going to take care of everything for you, and you're going to be moving into your new home soon. And so this is actually the last video in our entire course. What I would encourage you to do is go back over the previous videos, go through your workbooks, and go and have a fresh look at those website links. I'll see you on Thursdays at 6 p.m. calls and hit me up with lots of questions. And I can't wait to actually see you holding the keys to your new home. I want a photograph. Okay, great. I'm sure I'll see you again in another video because you are going to want to rewatch something. See you.